Hi, good morning, students. I hope this video finds you sound and safe at home. So in the previous class, what we learned was the writing the equations of the circles. So we wrote the equation of a circle when we were given the center H, K, and the radius R of the circle. So with the given center and radius, we found the equation of a circle. If you observe here, it's ax minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. So we plugged in the values of h and k here, and then the value of the radius here into the right hand side. And we did different questions. In today's class, we'll be learning something about trigonometric ratios. So there is a catchy word in today's class to find the trigonometric ratios. What we call it is SOHCAHTOA. So let's see what is that SOHCAHTOA means exactly. So I want to share a screen with you. Okay, here it is. Yeah, look at this screen here. So these are the three basic trigonometric ratios. There are actually 6 in total, but these are the basics. So sine A, if you see here sine A, so what is A actually here? A is an angle of the triangle. We apply these trigonometric ratios only in the right angle triangles. That is, one of the angles is a 90 degrees in a triangle. We call it as a right angle triangle. So basically we have the longest side of a right angle triangle. I know that you know about it. It's called as hypotenuse. So what we are going to basically do is, before we find any ratio, we need to name the sides. If you know how to name the sides, you could easily just plug in those values into this SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so S is sine A, which is opposite or hypotenuse. Cos is another one. So we say it as cos in short, but actually it is cosine. So this is sine, this is cosine. Cosine means complementary angle of sine A. So what it means, we'll learn about it later, about the complementary angles. And we have the last one, tangent. We call it as in short form, tan of angle A. So let's name the sides first. So A is the side basically, right? So the side opposite to this angle A is, you see here, opposite side. The longest side, always the hypotenuse. How do you know that it's the longest side? Look at this 90 degrees. Hypotenuse will be exactly opposite to this 90 degrees. So we found the opposite side to angle A. We have the hypotenuse. Obviously, the last side and the third side of this triangle is adjacent side. So let me give you an illustration here. So remember the word SOHCAHTOA. Let me type in here for you. S-O-H, SOHCAHTOA, right? So let me add a big one for you so that you could see it clearly. Okay, that's a SOHCAHTOA. Now, in the first illustration here, if you see this illustration, I'm going to explain you one question based on this example here. What we are supposed to find here is cos of x. So x is the angle here. So where do you see x here? X, y, z. So x is the angle here, right? So let's figure out the opposite side to this x. So what is opposite side to this x? It means that a line for that. Draw a line. It's here. Yeah, I picked one line. I'm going to draw a line opposite to this side. So the side opposite to angle x is, its measurement is 8, right? And it is zy. So now we have the opposite side. We have the hypotenuse 17, the longest side, and the third side, the remaining side is adjacent. So first, always try to figure out the opposite side. The opposite side to the required angle. X is 8. The longest is hypotenuse. And the last side remaining is the adjacent side to angle X. So let me explain you. So cos X here. Let me explain you. So what is cos X? Cos X. Take a little bit font. Okay. So cos X. This question is, so you see here cos. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So what we don't need in this SOHCAHTOA is sine and tan. So I deleted it. So what I need only is cos of angle X, which is adjacent A over hypotenuse. Because in SOHCAHTOA it says cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So let me, for clarity, let me put ADJ as adjacent and HYP for hypotenuse. So that should give you adjacent side is 15, right? Yes, because 8 is opposite side to angle X. So adjacent side is 15 and the hypotenuse is 17 along this side. That's it. So we got cos X as 15 over 17. This is how you find your trigonometric ratios, cosine of X. Similarly, you can find sine of angle X, tan of angle X, or you can find sine of angle Z, cos of angle Z, tan of angle Z, and so on, right? So what you basically remember is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. That's it. So that's all. Hope you understood this video, and I wish you to go on to your assignment and complete the rest of the work. So God bless you all. Stay safe. Stay at home. Bye-bye.